welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a simple tutorial on some of my favourite natural lashes. It's not a sponsored tutorial. So when I say natural lashes, I'm talking about ones that will give you volume, give you texture, give you layering, but it isn't those ridiculous ones with a super hard band that you try and put on and they face in funny directions and they don't stick down in the corners. Those lashes really are Instaglam, and to be honest with you, they're not realistic for going out and wearing glamorous lashes that actually look like you've just got beautiful accentuated lashes where people don't go, oh, you look like Daisy the cow. I have always been a fan of Esqido Lashes. I wouldn't say they're the most super well known, but they're one of my favourites, especially when they brought out their Unison Collection and it was their most natural collection. They do a lot of very voluminous lashes and other sets, but out of all of the brands, their Unison Collection has always been my favourite. And because I recently received a load more of them for my kit, I thought I would show you the collection and then maybe throw in some of my other favourite lashes. They do a tiny set. I think it's called Bread and Butter. I need to double check that. I might have it in my kit still, but they are super tiny. So if you are somebody that's more mature and you have naturally very fine, sparse lashes, which does happen with age, and you feel like you can't pull off any sort of natural lashes, even individuals because they're too long, Bread and Butter are going to be your best friend. Very short, not super black. I've used them so many times in my kit on more mature women, mothers of the bride, older brides. So if I can't find them, I will insert a photo for you. Again, this is not sponsored. It's just if I love a brand, I really want to share it with you. I do have a discount code. This has been in my description bar for years. You can go through all of my videos and you'll see there's been a Esqido discount code for you guys. Let's get on with the tutorial. So I've got a tiny amount of mascara on and a little bit of eyeliner on the outer third of the eyes. So we're going to go in with the first eyelash, which is called X&O by Esqido. So these are medium on the volume scale. They are 18 to 13mm in length. They are made from ultrafine synthetic fibres and they are on a handcrafted cotton band, so they are really, really comfortable to wear. So they are mixed between the 8mm and the 13mm, 8 towards the inner corners so that they are more comfortable and more natural looking and uniformed all the way across so they don't elongate on the outer edge. Next up by Esqido we have Gin and Tonic. Again, these are medium in volume, 4 to 12mm, again made from ultrafine synthetic fibres on a handcrafted cotton band. The length of these is a bit longer than the last pair, but they are softer at the edges because the 4mm is slightly shorter than the 8. Next up we have the Ardell lashes in Faux Mink Wispies. They have the distinctive crisscross feathering and curl. These are the reinvented ones, they're slightly softer. They are a rounded lash, so they're more elongated in the centre, making the eyes look slightly bigger, and these come on a clear lash band. Going back to Esqido, next we have Love and Peace, again medium in volume. These are 7 to 11mm, ultrafine synthetic bristles. These ones just make the eyes look a lot more open. They are slightly fuller to the outer half of the lash and they taper down to the 7mm towards the inner corner for a more natural finish. Next we have the Eylure London Felicity Hayward eyelashes. I would say these are definitely more the cheaper looking eyelashes. You can see the material that they've used, although it's synthetic, it's not as soft looking. You can see it's got quite a harsh cut to it, but they do look beautiful. They are very, very lightweight, the most lightweight of all the eyelashes, and as you can see they're slightly elongated toward the outer half of the eye, making them look more almond. They are on a clear band, but as you can see it is slightly visible, so you would need to paint that out. Now we have Day and Night by Esqido, medium volume, 4 to 13mm, shorter on the inner corner, longer on the outer edge, so it does give you a slightly more winged appearance, and they are crisscross, they're a bit more wispy looking. These are the most full out of the Unison lashes that I've showed you so far. Next up we have the Ardell Faux Mink 815 lashes. These are medium thickness, they are a rounded silhouette, so they are longer in the centre and shorter on the outer edges for more of a natural looking finish. Because they are slightly shorter, they work better with more hooded eyes or smaller eyes. I would say this gives you more thickness rather than length. Next up we have Naughty and Nice by Esqido. These ones are a fuller volume, 7 to 15mm. These are the longest ones I've shown you from the Unison Collection. These ones are less wispy. The lashes don't crisscross over. They're relatively straight in their direction, but they are beautifully curled and they're a lot more full. I really like these lashes. They are so beautiful. They are slightly longer on the outer edge, which I think gives the eye a beautiful lift. The The last set I've picked to show you are the Ardell Wispies Double 113. They are the most dramatic, probably still a little bit too dramatic for some people, but for me I would still put them in the more wearable eyelash category. So these come as double wispies, so they are stacked on top of each other on one clear eyelash band. So these give you volume and length. So those are my favourite, more wearable lashes. These are the most extravagant out of all of them. These are the Ardell Double 113 lashes. Might not be obviously too wearable for some of you because you might have smaller eyes. The space between my eyelash line and my eyebrow is quite a lot, so I can wear it. These are on a super fine band, so comfortable to wear. And I do have tutorials on how to apply eyelashes if you want to see that. I thought it would be better to show one eye with and one eye without throughout the whole tutorial, just so you can really see a comparison. There's a variety of shapes and styles in there, some that are slightly winged on the outer edge, longer in the centre, which is great for those of you that have slightly shorter eyes. Overall, shorter lengths, longer lengths, layers, non-layers, wispies, non-wispies, so hopefully there's something there that you can find suitable for your eye shape. Really hope you found it useful and helpful. If you've got any comments, questions, suggestions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss my uploads. Come follow me outside of YouTube over on my social handles, which are at Show Me Makeup, and I will see you next week. Bye!